I'm so nosy, baby. I'm so tempted to go ahead and book me a flight to New York.
Showtime.
Showtime. Y'all see how big this hair is? Uh-huh. It was straight before I went in there.
Where you at? Oh, you complain. Don't say that. Sipping wine.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Shatarria, but I go by Shay, and welcome to Shady Shay. Today is Saturday, September what? September 21st. We are headed to the what am I trying to say? We're headed to the premiere of Platinum's D movie that she appeared in. I believe y'all can watch it on Tubi. It's called Do It For The Gram. But I didn't watch it on Tubi because I wanted to watch it today at the movie premiere here in Arlington. It was originally in somewhere in Dallas, but then they moved it to Arlington, which I'm not mad about because that's closer to me. So I'm a bit excited about that. Y'all heard about Diddy? Child. And then it's not even so much Diddy. I'm not even surprised about Diddy. What's tripping me out is the fact that so many CEOs have stepped down from their job title. Why? I'm like, Meek Mill, why? Even though he got a question mark on his head too. I think he was a part of the shenanigans. But you know, to each his own. If that's his prerogative, then you know, whatever. But CEOs, why y'all stepping down? Are y'all on those videos? Is that what it is? Or are y'all working with the feds and the feds told y'all to step down from y'all job title? Which one is it? I'm so nosy, baby. I'm so tempted to go ahead and book me a flight to New York. And y'all know I really don't care for New York like that. But I'm so tempted to book a flight to New York so I can go ask to visit Diddy. Cause sir, I just wanna interview him. I got questions, like as if he gonna tell me something. But I'm so nosy. Like, I need to know everything that went down, everybody that's involved. I need to know that like now, like today. I don't have months for all this to play out at the trial, and that might be years actually. I'm just too nosy. I need to know now, because this is just too crazy to me. It's too crazy. And I'm like everybody else. What happened to that tall skinny man? Is his name Funsworth? He was like a funny dude. What happened to him? Is he still alive? Because that's what everybody been asking, like what happened to him, and I ain't seen him in years. So did he die, or maybe is he just put up somewhere? Alright y'all, I'm here, but it just dawned on me that this is a movie theater, so they're probably not gonna let me take my camera in. I'm trying to figure out, do I want to chance it and then they'd be like, hell no, or do I just want to put y'all in my purse and then go from there? Alright y'all, I was a little nervous about bringing y'all in because I wasn't sure. You know how they are about the movie theaters. They don't want people bringing their cameras in because you could be secretly recording the movie and bootlegging and all that kind of stuff. But baby, I don't know if y'all can see behind me, but I see a couple of people with their cameras out, so I guess we can have our camera. But it's getting kind of big. It's getting kind of full. It's getting kind of full in here, so I'm so excited to see my girl on the big screen. I'm gonna try to sneak y'all a little footage on here as well. But again, the movie is called Do It For The Gram, and it is on Tubi. And I believe Tubi is free, so anybody can watch it as long as you have internet access or whatever. But I'm about to head over here because at this particular movie theater, they serve food, and I'm so glad because baby, who's gonna be ordering them some food is me, moi, because I ain't ate. Now here go my boo. I just so happened to stand up and see her walking in. Showtime. It's showtime.
This the man with the plan. This who got me the role. Thank you so much.
I gotta go to Dallas.
So how you feeling today? We good?
Alright y'all, we about to get ready to go in. We just got through taking pictures and we about to see Do It For The Gram.
I mean, they have been targeting everybody in the community leaders, politicians, celebrities, they keep going and trolling until these people are losing their jobs. I mean, these people are coming up missing and everything. And when I tell you, the trolling just never ends. This group is ran by someone named Derek Meyer. He's like the son of someone that has a lot of money, and he's a tech genius. And I just thought I had to tell y'all. So that's it. It's Platinum B, and I am signing out with the T.
Woo! Woo, baby, my feet! Baby, my feet! Y'all see how big this hair is? It was straight before I went in there. It's big now because it was hot at first. Y'all, I am so proud of my friend. She did a good job in this movie. The movie, Do It. Wait, what? The movie Do It for the Gram. It's on Tubi and it's on Lifetime as well. Y'all, it was really, really good. I wish I could have stayed. They in there taking pictures, but I gotta go home because I didn't have nobody to watch Shay for me while I came to the event tonight. So I had my baby boy Cameron. He's 13. I had him watch his sister so I can come, because Cameron old enough to stay home by himself, but I had him watch his sister for me while I attend this event. And I told him once I left here, as soon as I left here, I would go pick up his cousin so that his cousin can spend the night and they can play the game or do whatever. So I'm having to cut my night short to go pick up his little cousin since he babysit for me tonight. Oh, baby. I'm glad I looked. Shit, y'all was gonna be some damn flat pancakes. So you say you want me, boy, go on. 'Cause I'm not gonna be here for long. All right, y'all. I just got through picking up. Ow, my hair, baby. This hair finna get back flatter tonight. I just got through picking up Cameron's cousin, so. Baby, he too happy. I played a trick on him and told him that I wasn't able to pick him up. He was too mad at me, but once we got here and he saw he was in that car, he was too happy. He was like, I told you, if you brought your sister for me, I got you. I feel like it's best for me to flatter my hair tonight versus tomorrow, because I need this hair to still look like something come tomorrow, because we're going back out with Platinum and my girl Kyra. So I need this hair to still be straight. Child, y'all, listen, last night my camera, I ran out of memory space and I just took my makeup off. And went to bed. It's Sunday now. And I am at Mexican Sugar with my girl Kyra. Girl, you look so cute. Y'all look at Kyra. I am too. How you been? Who is that?
Listen,
oh,
I'm so tired. I left my other purse. I put this mother. I left it at home, girl.
You good. You good. Y'all, my boo here. And she came bearing gifts.
I'm so tired. I was
She had a big night last night, y'all. Oh, I meant to bring my poster so you can sign it. Oh, man. I forgot it. Y'all, look what they brought me. So sweet.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Shay. Happy birthday to you.
Woo, thank you, y'all. Let me make my wish. Hey y'all, I don't have a voice, so I'm gonna try to make this fast, but I just realized, oh, this is current day. This is current day Shay vlogging. I look a mess, never mind that. But I realized in this video, I forgot to show y'all what Platinum got me for my birthday. And Kyra
what she got me for my birthday, she paid for dinner for me that day. The footage that y'all just seen, she paid for dinner, so that was so sweet of her. And then Platinum brought me all these gifts, so I want to share it with y'all. And I'm gonna try not to talk, cause I don't have a voice. Well, I might have to talk. Hold on, y'all, cause what's this on my floor? Y'all, I'm sick. Anyway, so the first gift, Platinum got me this. She said it was a gag gift because y'all know last year, every time we went out, my darn shoes would break. My darn shoes would break. So she bought me some heels. These are too cute. This is what they look like. These are too cute. Then she got me this bottle of wine. Cause baby, I drink wine. Helps relax my mind. And then, I was trying to see what noise I heard. Then she got me this perfume. This is perfume. If y'all watch her channel, y'all know my sis got a lot of perfume. So, hold on, wait a minute. Let me fix this, cause baby, I already done sprayed it. This is what it looked like. It has 2 bottles, and they smell too good. And I think it's some very cute bottles as well. So she got me perfume. And then she got me Tory Burch. And then this, inside of this, was some Tory Burch earrings. Too cute. And then, of course, she brought everything in this little beach bag that I think is cute as well. And then she got me one more gift. Baby sis showed out. She got me another Tory Burch. Which is some shoes. Which is these Tory Burch slides, which I think are too cute. So thank you again. Thank you again, Platinum, and thank you, Kyra, for my birthday gifts. I really appreciate y'all. Y'all didn't have to do that. Y'all are so sweet. And I'm gonna shut up now because I don't have a voice. And I explain my whole voice situation in the vlogs to come.